every day when we're buying, we put our stick in one of the bowls that we're buying. If we're not buying, we put it to plus one. And you write down what you're buying here. In the morning, we look at the homework chart and we write down our homework.
This is the job chart, and this week I have the messenger job. Bye!
Today we are playing number line squeeze. Is it 100, 11, 105? Higher. Is it 107? Higher. Is it 11? Is it 109?
Higher.
Higher. This is morning meeting. Usually, so we do a greeting and then we play a game and then Miss McGrath tells us our schedule for the day. Top of the morning to you, Maddie.
Top in the morning to you, Abby. Top in the morning to you, Alexandra.
Top of the to you, Maddie. Top of it to you, Olivia. Top of it to you, Alexandra.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Every Monday we read a story. And our first story we read was called Henry and Mudge, and we then after that we do a read a response, and then we write down what we think. And we have a book, and by the time of the end of the year, we are going to have a 30 pages in our book.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and I'm going to tell you about reading centers. So over here is the collage iPads where kids are learning about their little words. And at reading centers, Mrs. McGrath is usually there, but she's filming me right now. But we're doing readings. But we're doing some reading there. And at your desks, we are doing some self-portraits, which tell you about your family. And at the circle table, we're gonna do our target vocabularies.
What you can see from this? What you think?
We do second step for skills and learning.
Today we learned focus, attention, and listen.
You come to school to learn. Focus, attention.
drop everything and read.
Today in Writer's Workshop, we're writing down ideas for future stories.
In science, we're planting brassica plants. During the daytime, we do yoga to keep on refocusing. I'm still spring. It's impossible.
Thanks for watching. Have a great night.